Good morning, students. I myself, I.K. Misra, your mathematics teacher, once again came here for you with taking a video for class 6, chapter 5, fraction. Students, this is the sixth part of the video. In previous video, I discussed how will you compare two or more fractions, how will you change unlike fractions into like fractions. Today, I am going to discuss here how will you add fractions. That means today we will discuss here addition of fractions. So now let's start. Here first of all add like fractions. So addition of fractions. Addition of like fractions. Friends, in like fraction, you know, denominator of all those fractions be equal. So here for adding, here in denominator write common denominator and in above sum of numerator of all fractions. Suppose here fractions a by b, c by b, d by b, so on. Here you observe denominator of all of these are equal to b. So its sum equal to here b common denominator and a plus c plus d. Its sum. Suppose here find the sum of 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 3. Here all of these are like fraction and here sum is equal to, that means 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Here students, here total denominator be 3 equal to like fraction, like denominator, and here you in above 1 plus 2 plus 5 and is equal to 8 upon 3. Students, here you know this is an improper fraction and you can change it into mixed fraction. So you may write it here 2 whole 2 upon 3. Its answer. But here main thing is you have to add unlike fractions. Now we will know how will you add unlike fraction. For adding unlike fraction, first change it into like fraction. That means here understand by the sum example. Here you have to add, here write addition of unlike fractions. Here suppose example we have to add 3 upon 5, 7 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 13 upon 20. Here students, all of these are unlike fraction and you have to add. For adding it, first of all find the LCM of it, all of these denominators, and after that you have to change it into like fraction. And students, I discussed in previous video how will you change unlike fraction into like fraction. how will you arrange fractions in ascending or descending order. If you didn't watch that video, then go in description box and click the blue link and watch previous video. Students, now here we have to add. So do the process. First, find the LCM of all of these denominator, because when you have to change this into like fraction, first you have to require change the denominator in like LCM. So LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 20 you have to find. Here 5, 10, 15, 20 divided by 2, 5, 5, 15 and 10. After that, here 5 times 1, 1, 3 and 2. Here students, LCM equal to 2 into 5, 10, 30 and 60. So students, here when you have to add 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 15 plus 13 by 20. Here first of all write denominator equal to LCM. LCM is equal to 60 and divide the LCM 60 by 5. Here in 12 times and 3 into 12 plus 6 times 7 into 6 plus 4 times 9 into 4 plus 3 times 13 into 3. Students, after that here write 12 into 3 36 plus 42 plus 36 plus 39 and upon 60 is equal to, here you have to add 9, 6, 15, 17 and 17, 6, 17, 6, 23. 3 up carry 2, 5, 3, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12, 3, 15, 153 by 60. Students, it is your answer, but you can change it into mixed fraction. So you can write 2 whole 33, 2 whole 33 upon 60. You can also change here 60 3 times 20 and 3 times 11. So 2 whole 11 by 20. Clear students? It's your answer. I think you understand all of these examples. Now I am going to deal here another example. Here first question, add 5 by 9, 22 by 27, 17 by 18. Students, you observe here all of these are unlike fractions, and addition of unlike fractions, first of all change unlike fractions into like fraction. That means first find LCM of the denominators. Here LCM, find LCM of 9, 27 and 18. Students, you may find LCM of all of these. Here I directly write LCM is equal to 54. Students, this is the LCM of 9, 27 and 18. Here students, first of all write 5 by 9 plus 22 by 27 plus 17 by 18. After that, write, draw a line, and which is the, here write LCM 54. After that students, 54 is written in denominator for all of these addition, and divide 54 by 9. 6 times, and here 5 into 6 plus after that divide 54 by 27, that means 2 times. Here write 22 into 2 plus here when you divide 54 by 18, that means 3 times and 17 into 3. After that student, here 54 and 30 plus 44 plus 51. After that students, you may easily add 1 4 5, here 5 and 5 4 9 9 3 12 and 54. Students, it's your sum of all of these. You can change this value into mixed fraction. So divide 125 by 54, you will get it in mixed fraction is equal to 2 whole 17 upon 54. Here friends, it is the answer of this addition. Friends, after that, here discuss question number 2. Here we have to add all of these in mixed fraction. So students, first of all change into improper fraction. So is equal to, here you have to change in improper fraction, multiply 2 and add it. 8 3 11 by 4 plus here 5 3 is 15 and 1 16 by 3 and plus 9 to the 18 18 5 23 on 9. After that students, find the LCM of it. When you find LCM, 4 3 9, here 3 times 4 1 3 and 3 4 is 12 and 12 3 is 36. So LCM is equal to 36. Here write 36, divide 36 by 4 9 times, here 11 into 9, 9 is multiplied in 11. After that divide 36 by 3 12 times, here 16 into 12 and plus 23 into, divide 36 by 9 4 times. After that students, here multiply 99, here 36 and plus 16 to 12 32 and 16 291 192 plus here 23 into 4 92. After that students, add here 36 and 2 to the 4 4 4 9 13, carry 1 10 10 9 19 and 19 9 28 8, carry 2 1 3. Here this is an improper fraction, and when you have to change it into mixed fraction, divide 383 by 36, here 1 times 36, here 2 3. After that here write 0. That means here 10 whole 23 by 36. Here friends, its answer 10 whole 23 by 36 is answer of this. Similarly students, you can solve all of the questions of your exercise 5E. Today's homework: complete exercise 5E of Faraz Agarwal book. And if any problem, then contact me. In next video, I will discuss all the important questions of exercise 5E of Faraz Agarwal book. So that's all. Thank you.